guys, it's Shweta here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing what's in the FabBag December bag edition, and I'm really excited because it's been a while I've done one of these videos and it's been a while that I've actually checked FabBag. So if you guys don't know, FabBag is a monthly beauty bag subscription which basically has a mix of skincare, makeup, body care products in one bag. The best part is, apart from the products that you're getting, you also get a really pretty pouch which can be used for different purposes. So you can actually use it as a makeup pouch or a skincare pouch or any other purpose. They have a 3-bag plan for you. Then all the prices will be down for your references, so you can check out the prices and subscribe accordingly. And before I start over, you can also use my code which is down here to get discount on your FabBag. So make sure that if you're subscribing or you're going for a one-time purchase or monthly subscription, you go ahead and use my code below to get a special discount. So I just received my FabBag today and it came in a box like this. Yeah, they were covered in a cling film, so they were protected and packaged properly. So this is the bag that I got for December. As you guys can see, the bag and the pouch is amazingly beautiful. I really love how it comes like this really nice sparkly bronze gold black shade. It's pretty festive. I love the pouch, by the way. I really like it. So once you open the bag, you have these things here. So it's a detailed description of all the products that are there in the bag. Okay, so starting off, we have this is the pouch. I can see it's from Plum, and honestly Plum has to be one of my all-time favorite skincare brands. I have been using Plum products for years now and they are amazing. So let me just check what it is. So here it says it is the Plum Fun in the Sun Duo, which has a scrub and an SPF of 50. Let's just check that out. So the pouch is cute, it's like a velvety pouch here. Okay, so they're like sample sizes. So I've got the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Sheer Matte Day Cream and the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Brighten Up Face Scrub. So there's a cream and a scrub, I think, which works pretty well. Even if it is winter and the sunshine is at minimum, you got to use products which are good for your skin and protect you from the sun rays. So really good range actually here. I really like it. Okay, so the second product that I can see here is this one. So you get a full size French pink clay mask. It's in the powder form, so you basically got to use it with water or rose water and then apply it. So this is the second product. Third product I can see is the Nyasa Cream de Provence Face and Body Scrub. This is a full size product as well and it retails for rupees 249. It's a face and body scrub. It's been a great brand for skincare. They use a lot of natural ingredients and a lot of techniques which are Indian. So great for that. So excited to use this out. The next product we have here is the Adideva Naturals Ananda Miraculous Face Serum, and this is also a full size product and it retails for rupees 799. Very excited to try this out. I'm really into good skincare these days and I think this can be a good addition. The next thing inside my bag is something I was extremely excited about. This is the Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Affection, which is a terracotta brown, and they let me pick out the shade for this. Now the best part about FabBag is that every month one of the beauty products that you get, you will have the choice of making the decision of the shade that you want. Now a lot of times, subscription box and bags can send you like random products with random shade and which doesn't really suit your skin, so it goes on to waste. But I love the fact that FabBag takes so much care about it and they let you choose your own shade. So I chose this shade called Affection, which is a terracotta brown, and these days it's like winter, and apart from that I love using nude color shade lipsticks and lip colors because I think I can like multi-use it at different places. Of the shade that this one has, the quality is amazing, of course. Now this particular product is also full size and it retails $695, which I felt, you know what, I've already got my worth from the bag. So this one was the one I loved the most. So apart from the other ones, I also got two products in with me. The first one is this one, which is the Moha face wash. This is the herbal face wash with neem, cucumber, aloe and rose. Of course, I've used it before and this is a great face wash to use. Retails for 80 rupees, great for travel purposes. And the last thing that we have, I got the Seri Flashlight Blusher Stick B2 Peony Pearl. I was super excited. I was like, I really wanted to check out Seri's makeup range. So great for holiday season. I think you can use it for festive wear as well. So really loved it. Guys, with that we're done with today's video. Hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and also follow me on social media. All the links will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to check out FabBack on the link below in the description box, where you guys get to choose products of your choice and get so many new beauty products to choose from. So go ahead, subscribe to them and use my coupon code here to get additional discount. So guys, with that we are done. Hope you guys are happy, healthy and smiling. Please stay safe and that's it for today. See you soon. Ciao.